We're going to take the HappyRun G300 Pro and the Magicycle SUV and try out the bicycle route on the New Florida Suncoast Parkway. It's a 589, something like that. Yeah, I don't have a full battery. Hopefully we make it, or I'll be pedaling. The suspension on this thing is so nice. Should have charged it up last night when I charged those up. We should have brought a strap. What's going on?
What are you up to?
We're gonna go over and take that new extension on the highway.
Oh,
Take the bike trail, go to Homosassa and back. If you talk to Rick, tell him I found his VIN number on his bike.
okay.
And I emailed the company, and I want to see if they could turn it on and track where it's been the last couple weeks, so we might be able to
Find it.
if they could find where it is.
Pawned it or something. I don't know.
Oh, you mean if Rick pawned it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Or the person that...
Or maybe.
or whoever got it, right?
Maybe somebody stole it. I don't know for sure.
He said someone stole it when he went in the dollar store.
Yeah. I didn't know you can ride on the parkway. Is there enough?
Well, no, there's a bike trail right next to it, all the way to Tampa.
There is. I didn't notice that.
My friend Vonzi did it already when it first opened, the day it opened. Yep. Our friggin' taxes, they're saying it might go up $1,300 one shot, so we're going down and fighting it.
Up there?
Here?
Our place, down here. We didn't do it last year.
Up too.
Yeah,
Up to 1,500 and something a month.
a year.
I mean a year.
We didn't do anything.
No improvement.
No improvements last year.
And
Nothing.
we homesteaded.
And we homesteaded last year, and they're saying it's going to go up $1,300. They say we're worth
So
how
I
much
did
more
that.
money? 70.
$70,000 more dollars, and we did nothing.
We didn't do
We
anything.
got, you know, like we have no porch, we have nothing.
That'll be more money than I pay up for 17 and a half acres up north.
Yeah, you better go fight
Something.
that.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, somebody's got something wrong.
It'll almost be $6,000 a year.
I got a notice in the mail just this past.
Even if the road was paved and we got our mail in a mailbox out here, it still wouldn't have been worth that money. I was comparing to houses out here, what they're paying taxes, we're way higher.
Yeah,
There's only 2 acres cleared, the rest is jungle. Now it's flood zone too.
I'm gonna go look at mine again.
he looked at a place on the water that's for sale.
Yeah.
$125,000. You know what their taxes are? $7,000. On fucking Kings Bay.
No shit.
We've had a
Well-
bad weekend 'cause we're really riled up.
We'll catch you later.
Have a safe trip.
Okay, bye.
Oh,
That's the cost of living here.
something metal on suspension. Cop Winery. That's a fun place. Wow. Nobody. Go, mama.
Wasn't ready.
Oh. Well, you did that to me a few times yesterday. I'm like, where are you going? It made me crash. I got 3 out of 5 bars, so hopefully, I don't exactly know how low the battery was, being 1 bar low. I see bicycle marks. Pretty soon we'll be able to go from our road all the way over to here. Used to have some nice sand dunes in here we used to take the Jeep on.
So wide of a cutback with the trees. I wonder if because 44 is near here, they're gonna, if it keeps expanding, you know, the city part, that there'll end up being another exit.
I don't know. Did you lose any bars?
I don't really have bars. It's 81%.
All right. I forgot. Yeah, you don't have bars. Oh, I guess I see why they went wide on that, because the ramp coming off.
No.
Go to the middle. There's nobody coming. Go all the way. Traffic is light today. Oh, look, you could park there and ride your bike. Go all the way to Tampa?
No.
I don't think my ass could take it.
No.
Jeez, if you traveled this road long enough, I'd have to put a little CB on here. Breaker 19. Got a Smoky in the middle. St. Pete's only 66 miles. I could use the water. That's high quality H2O right there.
High quality H2O.
At 2 bars for a second there. I was gonna say we ain't making it back.
Rover.
Oh yeah. All right, so we're in Homosassa. I might make it back.
Mine says 74.
I still have 3 bars until I climb a hill. I'll probably be all right.
Going there?
Yeah, we could. Someone lost a tire. Yeah, there's a tow strap. Looks like I'm down to 2 bars, 94.6 miles. Get to 44, we'll take the sidewalk. Oh, this is just... Well, that's one thing in Florida, I gotta say. It's like half the price of Connecticut for electric. Yeah, this is still my favorite e-bike. Lots of power, lots of speed, and the suspension is amazing. Leaps and bounds better than the other e-bikes. Like I say, it's like a RM80 dirt bike. It's that soft and long travel. Might be a little big for it, but I like it. Wow, we got a walk light. Smell burgers. If the Crystal River Mall could have held out for another 2 years, they would have definitely done some good business, I think, with all the growth around here and the highway coming in. Woo, see why I wouldn't want to ride in the bike lane?
Where are we supposed to go? Well, this is fucked up.
Yeah, I know. That's why I don't like crossing over here.
Well, there was an accident on
Oh,
this
there you go.
intersection, too.
Yep. Go ahead. Our favorite Mexican restaurant right there. Wow, repainting. That place has always seemed so shady to me. It's got bars on the windows and everything. Never stopped at that gas station. Oh, another strap. It's got over 100 miles now. Still holding 2 bars. Mama's picking up the pace. Shortcut. Oh, looks like I'm down to 1 bar when I give it a little gas. 102.4. Somebody's having a burn cookout or something. Ooh, that's a big one. That was a long ride today.
Yeah, I'm sore.
Yep. Flashing from 06 when I give it gas. Just made it. 105.5. And 1 bar flashing to 06 error. That was a good ride.
So 280.5, 28. So it's like 27 and change.
How much battery you have left?
59.
Thanks for riding along. What are you doing? You can throw up. Silly.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.